This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I'll show how you can prevent and fix overheating issues on this device. So let me begin this video by sharing a few tips on how to prevent overheating, since it is way more efficient to not let the problem happen than it is to fix it and deal with it after the problem has occurred or has already occurred. Anyway, so first advice that I have is that you do not expose your smartphone to the direct sunlight for a long time, for extended periods of time. If you use it outdoors, if you have to leave it somewhere outdoors laying, just make sure to cover it with a shadow. Should it be a shadow from a tree or from something else, doesn't matter, as long as the phone is not affected by the direct sun rays, you are good. Then another advice that I have, the probably most common cause for the overheating is fast charging. So even though this phone obviously supports fast charging and charging your phone quickly is damn convenient, it is sometimes worth sacrificing in the name of reduced overheating occurrences. And you can switch off the fast charging altogether on this phone. So launch settings, go into the battery category, then enter the charging settings and switch off the fast charging and fast wireless charging, just to be extra safe. And if your device has already overheated and you would like to help it cool itself down more efficiently, you can switch on the power saving mode to limit and reduce its performance or the processing speed that is available to your phone, so it can cool significantly sooner. And as far as this video goes, that will be more or less it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.